The Garud Puran very vividly describes some fearful events that occur after death. Is this in fact the journey of the soul, and is this journey different with or without a guru?
When you have a guru, it's a different journey. Even that is said in the Puranas. Because you are connected to a lineage, a guru, and you are moving at the speed of a light. You are moving very fast. Yes, in other things, in Garuda Puran it is said after the soul leaves, it lingers on as Preta Yoni for 10 days. Because the transition is so big that it gets so confused. Now the body, it has dropped, it doesn't want to go back to the body because it looks like an excretion. The body doesn't feel like something that one wants to get into. But one is not used to the other side. This is called Preta Yoni. They are in between now. And then after some time it gets used to this in between stage, then it moves on. This is where the knowledge helps. When someone dies, the son or daughter, the priest, they say, you are not the body, you are not the mind, you are not your intellect. Move beyond this. Let this earth element absorb the earth element in your body. Let the water in your body go to the water. Let the fire element engulf this entire thing. So we merge our body back into the nature. Till now it is holding, this is me. Now it says, no, I am not this. What am I? Who am I? This awareness starts happening. And so it said, holding the tail of a cow, the soul crosses the river Vaitarani. But what is cow? Gau in Sanskrit means knowledge, it means movement, it means liberation, and it means cow also. So even the tail of a knowledge, even a little bit of knowledge if you hold on to, you can cross oceans. The ocean may be very big, but a small life jacket is good enough for you to float. This is the knowledge that the children give to the parents or diseased people. It's called tarpan. All that you see in the world is equivalent to a sesame seed. It's nothing, not much significant. Like the sesame seed, drop all your desires, whatever incomplete missions you had in your life, leave it to us, we will take care of it. You be satisfied, move on. So this encouragement by the near and dear one, even relatives, everybody, they all do tarpan. Tarpan means be fulfilled, move on. So as a symbol, they take little sesame seeds and then tripyatam, be fulfilled, be fulfilled. After 10 days they do this. One understands from this in-between stage of Preta Yoni, they have moved on to Pitraloka. And you conjoin them with your grandfather, your grandmothers and the previous, your ancestral lineage. Tell them they are there and they are waiting for you, they received you. That is what is Shraddha all about. That is why it is a celebration. After the 10 days, 12 days, 13 days, these rituals are made like that, so that no more crying and no more sadness, but now on you should celebrate.